Yo, what is up, everybody? It's Peace. Welcome to another video. Time for another part of my trading day. So I'm gonna take a quick break here and see if I can get into some options. All right, so I just entered a call position. Today's been super volatile. The last 2 days have just dropped dramatically. And I'm not gonna lie, I've gotten burned on a couple trades. I'm trying to maintain my 25K minimum for day trading. So these I'm up 170 right now. Looks like it's climbing even higher, up 220. Honestly, I'm gonna take some profits here. Actually, I should just get rid of everything because this is so volatile. It's really hard to make money on days like these unless you get kind of lucky. Put in an order for half my position at 264. See if that takes. Cost average is 241, so really anything above 250 is going to be decent in my book. You don't need to make big wins every time. Consistency is what will give you a good portfolio. Never bet more than you can afford to lose. Just general advice there. I don't like this position. I'm gonna get out of it completely. Take a look at the chart. All right, that's a huge green bar of volume. I see that it's starting to dip a little bit. It bounced off of the 513.99 area, up 30 cents. Jeez. All right, so that triggered the sale of my other set of 5 calls at that price. I do still think calls are the play, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to trade for expiration tomorrow, just out of the money, because those will make the most. I'm going to wait for it to drop a little bit. So I'm going to try and get these at $2 a share. So let's try 15. Oh, wow, even better. Let's get greedy and go 198 and see if I can get 15 of those at 198. All right, I'm in. So we're hoping for a little bounce back from that healthy pullback, but I think the overall sentiment will go up. I was half thinking this morning that looking at this chart and looking at yesterday's, that we would just see a massive downturn, but now I'm beginning to doubt that. Oops. Don't pay attention to that. All right, so we're seeing the climb up, which is really nice. So that's another $200 up. I can probably exit some of the position. Like, I'm just trying to keep my head above water here. Playing catch up sucks. I'm gonna sell 10 of these at 206. See if I can get that cleared. All right, that cleared with flying colors because we're up at 215. Not bad, not bad. Just consistently making some gains is really what the goal is here. Oh, man. All right, so let's take a look at the chart. So another decently volumed green candle. Oh, gosh, this could be a bait. RSI is climbing. We don't have any green bars on the MACD. It's just been flat basically all day. Would they make it this obvious that it's going to run? I don't think they would make it this obvious. Oh, geez. It's about to go either skyrocket or dump. I'm going to assume that it's going to skyrocket. So slight pullback there. It's usually bouncing off this zone right here. If it can hold this, then I think we should be good. So I'm going to double down on this position. Let's buy, we already have 5 contracts. Let's buy another 20. I have confidence in this position. So I'm going to buy 20 at $2.03. Let's see if it'll take. All right, it did take. Bringing our average up to 202. So now we jumped up to 209. I'm going to hold this one for a little bit longer though. Just because I do feel that there is going to be upwards momentum based off of what I can see in the chart. The like a low volume scenario would lead me to believe that it's going to dump. But we have 2 decent green bars of volume as the RSI is climbing. So to me, that indicates that it's going to continue going upwards, at least enough for us to get some profits off of our slightly out of the money call expiring tomorrow. So we're just trying to get green a little bit. So there's another 150 bucks. Uh-oh. Down to 50. Down to negative 25. Do we triple down? Honestly, I think so. If it dumps, then we'll just have to make it back in other ways. I'm going to increase my position even further. Let's get another 10 at that 197-ish price. Hopefully it takes at 195 or something. All right, we did get in at 195. Now we're dancing around 193. There's 196. Our new cost average is exactly $2, so we're down 6 cents on our 35 contracts, which leads us to be down approximately almost 400 bucks in just this position. This was a lot harder back when I only had 3-day trades per week, before I got the account to 25,000. Yeah, you just have to you have no choice. You have to hold overnight and you have to plan on what the market's going to do at open and what it's going to do all day tomorrow. And yeah, it's tough. So you got to play further out of the range of expiration as well, which complicates things. Yeah, and now we see that it's dumping, which is unfortunate because we triple downed on this. Let's take a look at what the chart is showing. Okay, we bounced off that 80 area. Let's see. So RSI is taking a small pullback. I don't think I'm too worried about this. We're already back at the 514 mark. I actually should have quadruple downed, but we're going to try and take some profits once we go green. All right, we briefly touched green. Man, this is bouncing all over the place. This is insane. All right, I'm going to exit this position because I want to end the video and I want to show you guys that it is possible to make profits in just a short amount of time with the ability to day trade and kind of predict what the chart should do at least. It's not a guarantee what the chart will do, obviously, or else everyone would be rich. But you can make educated guesses, which can lead you to possibly getting some sort of gains, which is I know what you guys are after. So I'm going to go to sell. I've got 35 contracts. You know what? This is tough. $2.1. Let's see if we can make 300 bucks off this trade. It's probably going to skyrocket all the way to 215. $201, dancing around. Price is at 514.07, 514.08, 514.10, 514.09, 514.11, 12, 13, 11. Yeah, this price action is not giving me much confidence. I might reduce the amount that I'm trying to get down to, let's replace that order. I don't know if it'll hit 210 again before it dips again, and I don't want to have to quadruple down. So let's go for 35 contracts at, let's just say 203. Oops, 03. All right, this should hit really soon, so I can exit this position and then end the video and then go to some actual trading. But I just wanted to showcase this for you guys, since you guys seem to like my other video with sound. Just to get into my thought process, I've got several other videos of longer trading sessions that showcase a little bit more, but I'm not talking in them, unfortunately. But at least now you can get a little bit of insight on how I trade. But to be honest with you guys, half of this is luck. Like, if you're lucky, then get into this. But if you're not lucky, then stay away. As I say that, it continues to just drop and dance around. I should be doubling, tripling, quadrupling down, but let's see. I would like to get that 203 filled. Let's make a rookie mistake and then buy 5 more. at the 191 range, hopefully bringing our cost average down. Okay, so we bought in another 5, putting us at 40 and bringing our cost average down by 1 penny. Excellent. Let's go ahead and sell 5 of those at the 200 mark to account for all of our shares. What's the overall SPY doing? Oh, we've taken a dip here. So a small red volume overall. Still small, very tiny, minuscule bars of green on the MACD. I do think that this will reverse. It's just, unfortunately, this video will be a little bit longer than what I had originally wanted it to be. But tell people about this, forward this to people. Tell them to subscribe because I need to get this account to over 1,000 subs so I can actually, for it actually to be worth for me to actually start, making these types of videos more often. All right, so first order executed to sell the 5 contracts. We're starting to climb back upwards. So that just touched there at the $2 mark. So slightly green for us, and then now we're just waiting for it to trigger. Shoot, object not found. Oh, it exited the position entirely. Excellent. All right, so that means we did make a few $100 off of that position as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry it was a little bit longer than I wanted. Well, I guess you guys didn't know that it's longer than I wanted. But anyway, subscribe, please. Comment what you think, and tell me if I should continue doing this or if you guys don't really care. All right, subscribe for more. Bye-bye.